Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel slope back tender that I installed that searchlight on. It's wired directly to the two C-cell batteries, and I have added a switch so you can just reach under and turn the tender on. And as you see, this works really, really well. So that is completely self-contained. And with those two C-cell batteries, that will last, like I said, very likely a year. This will run for weeks if it's left on. So it's really simple, easy to do, only takes a minute. And there's a hole in the bottom of the tender. And so I just mounted a switch across it, as you see. So simple on-off slide switch. On, off. Didn't have to do any modification to the car at all. And the nice thing about it, of course, is it's completely independent of track power. And now you can just reach under and turn it on. So it works. It works really, really well, in fact. A good, bright, lighted tinder, completely self-contained. Like I said, these batteries will last for months. If you leave it on, I'm sure it'll burn for probably several weeks. But it works. It makes a super bright lighted tinder. Only took a few minutes actually to do this once I figured out how to do it. And that spotlight pivots 360 degrees, plus you can point it almost straight up. So this works. Probably lots of applications for this. But as you see, it's simple, it's inexpensive, and best of all, it works. So just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.